I wanted to show you something special in this smartphone. So right now, my cats are just laying down. They are feeling cold, and I'm also feeling very cold. But I don't have the cell in this remote control of this air conditioner. So I wanted to turn on. So what I wanted to show you, this is the new smartphone from Ulefone Armor X31 Pro. On the top, it supports infrared remote control. So what it can do, I just need to open this application, remote control, and I just need to search the appliances what I wanted to use, what I wanted to turn on. So I have searched this air conditioner, the name of this Shenhua. Because I'm in China, I just need to select the region and look, right? And start. If I wanted to turn off, and voila. Well, this is the box of Ulefone Armor X31 Pro. The box comes in a striking black and yellow design, looks very nice, and all the specifications are listed on this side of the box. So opening the box, the first layer contains the essentials: the user manuals, paperwork, stickers, warranty card, and this screen protector and this SIM injector tool. So underneath there is this smartphone Armor X31 Pro. Let's see. This is the Ulefone charger, which is Type C, and Type C to Type C charging cable. The first impression of this smartphone is that the combination of black and orange color is very eye-catching. In my hand, the phone doesn't feel that bulky or too heavy. While it's primarily made of plastic, but it feels like it has more kind of rubberized, silky coating that makes its resistance to fingerprints and scratching. The back textures look very stylish, and this orange color ring added a unique and attractive touch. Next to the camera, there is a microphone, and at the bottom of the phone, there is a logo Ulefone. On the right side, you will find the volume rockers and power button, which also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. Additionally, the phone offers face recognition, giving you two unlocking options. At the top, there is an infrared IR blaster, this one, and a headphone jack, which people will love it, I guess. And on the left side, there is a SIM tray that supports two SIM cards and a customized button, this one. You can assign this button to open apps, turn on the flashlight, or perform other tasks as well. At the bottom, there is a Type-C charging port, which is protected by this rubber seal, making it suitable for water resistance. And the speakers are on the right side, and there's one more speaker here. The frame of the phone is very solid and well designed. You can see these four corners are reinforced, offering additional protection. If the phone is dropped like this, overall the design feels durable and comfortable to hold. Moving to the screen, the Armor X31 Pro features a 6.56 inches HD Plus display with a resolution of 1612 by 720 pixels. While it's not full HD, the screen delivers vibrant colors and 600 peak brightness, which is sufficient for most users. The bezels you can see on the sides are thin, but the bottom bezel is slightly thicker. It's great for social media, video streaming, and journal use as well. The rear camera setup includes a 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor, which performs exceptionally well in the price range. One standout feature is the night vision mode. Unlike any smartphones, these features allow you to see and capture objects in complete darkness, which can be incredibly useful. There's also a 10 megapixel macro photo camera. I will share some videos and photo samples in the full review, but so far the camera quality is impressive. Under the hood, the Armor X31 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 6300 nm octa-core chip clocked at up to 2.4 GHz. It's paired with 8 GB of RAM along with an additional 8 GB of virtual RAM and 256 GB of storage, expandable via a micro SD card. This ensures plenty of space for apps, photos, and games. The phone runs Android 14 and this interface looks clean and responsive. The Armor X31 Pro is equipped with a massive 6050 mAh battery, which easily lasts an entire day on a single charge. Now I'm recording the video from the back camera and I have picked the quality that is 2K. That is the highest quality you can pick for video recording. And this is 1x. I'm recording the video from my home window and this is 1x and this is 2x. The result looks very nice and you can zoom till 4x. Nice. 4x. Still can see clearly. And this is 1x. The speed is very quick. You can zoom out. The color of the sky, very nice. The color combinations are very good.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
This smartphone priced at around $300. This Armor X31 Pro offers great value for money and it delivers solid performance, rugged durability, excellent battery life and 5G connectivity. Well, if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. I will see you in the next video. Bye.